Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 4th of August. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. We've got the sunshine out there. It's a pretty simple forecast. The next couple of days, about 84 degrees for an average high temperature across the area. A few of you will be a little less warm than that. A few of you a couple of degrees warmer than that. Humidity levels are in check. That means temperatures tonight down near 60 in the cooler suburbs, but upper 60s in Boston. As we head for Wednesday night, temperatures back down to the mid 60s. Humidity levels starting to creep up on a southwesterly breeze, and you'll really notice it on Thursday. Dew points back into that 60 to 70 degree range, 60s to 70. Mid to upper 80s, and we're going to be in the dew point of 70 or higher Thursday night and Friday, up near 90 on Friday. It won't surprise me if we have a heat advisory. Shouldn't be extreme, but we could see a heat advisory on Friday. Still warm Friday night, and right now the weekend 85 to 90 with plenty of sunshine. Summer rolls on. Have a great day, everybody.